Hello guys, today we're going to be playing the game called Washing Machine, and I don't know what it's about, but I think it's about going in a washing machine. What the? Some person was doing I don't even know what they were doing. That would look weird. Oh my god. I might have to join another server, but, it's just a washing machine game, so I'm gonna figure out what it is. So, just stay tuned. Bruh. Anyways, Yo, bro, need to start shooting that shotgun. Ugh. Woo, I'm getting dizzy. That was just... I don't even know why I said that. Let me out. Let me out. I want out. Whoa. Y'all guys seeing that? Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, the washing machine stopped. I just got out. I'm sliding on the floor. Oh my god. Whee! Ew! What is that? He's just doing it. Look, he's doing it again. Whoa, I can do it too! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! What's this place? Whoa! So, is this abandoned washing machine? Please enter the washing machine. I wonder what this washing machine does. I'm guessing it just does the same thing. Why does it last so long? Oh! Yeah, that washing machine broke. Huh. Oh well. Well, I don't know what that game was about, but let's teleport to another game. Waka Bama Gaga Googly Gobba. Bam. Wow. I just magically teleported to another game and definitely didn't just pause the video and freaking another game. What? Anyways, let's start cracking. I already know what this game is about because I already played it once. And hear this. Now hear this. I don't think it played all the way. Hold up. Let it play off. Okay, I'm back where I was at. Now hear this. Oops, wrong one. Hear this one. Did you hear that? Doesn't that sound funny? Guys, please, I'm not cringe. Anyways, let's get back to what we were doing. Walk-a-bam. Ching chong. Stop saying whoa. Yeah, say terrible. I'm gonna make sure you have a bad day, whatever your name is. Sarah Brana. I don't care. You're gonna have a bad day. Now die! Aha. Herb. Ew, 5 stars. Still on Garappa-da-bam. Alright, you ready? Alright, it's time to put the Kraken on. Alright, here's a good one. Alright, here's one. Oh, gotcha. Alright, I got one for you. Dang, that was awful. It's because you're awful. You got awful backs, Grandma. Let me give you the terrific, mythical blast. That was the part I wanted y'all guys to hear. It sounds so funny. Why does it sound so funny? Oh my god. Like, bruh. Die! That was right in the middle of the yellow and the red. Anyways, plus we got my upgrades. I need the shoulder. Oh. That one owned. It's time to buy the technique. Yes. Ooh. Yeah. Oh well. Let's get cracking. New technique. Gotcha. Right. Perfect spot. Let me break your arm. Alrighty. Oh. Bye bye. Okay, let's magically teleport. Are your legs okay, ma'am? Yo, I wish I could edit stuff in my videos, but I can't edit it and replay that back. You're just gonna have to watch the video and replay that back, guys. So, yeah. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. By the way, say hello to my kitty right here. Say hello, kitty. Kitty? What? Why? What? Why does it say help? What? Kitty? Hey! What do you mean help? What do you mean by, you know what? Get out! Alright. So, bye guys. Ooh, is that a player? Yo, hold up. Let's give him a back massage. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna give you the worst day of your life. Let me give you the worst day of your life. Huh. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.